Hello again. So today I show you the aviary from the Finches and the Canaries. What is in here? Orange canary, canary bird, the regular ones, red factor, cobalt canary, zebra finch, Bengalese finch, star finch, and the Mexican house finch. Well, let's go in. And the security curtain. So, hello buddies. Yep. So, okay. Now that aviary is a little smaller because they are smaller birds. But that doesn't mean anything to me because I am planning to get them a real big aviary. So in the coconuts and in those huts, there are breeding, eggs everywhere. Nice red one over here. They don't need actually toys to play, but they like to fly around. And a lot of places to sit on and go in. So then and when I give them just a handful of straw, and they use that right away for their nests. Here too, we put in brand new today concrete blocks, super easy to clean. The wood, I liked it, but it's just not clean enough. Oh look, there is never saw him, is a baby starfinch. See him for the first time. Oh, nice. Shelter room. Yeah, that is nice. Oh, I love that. First I had nesting boxes in here, never used them. So since I have the coconuts and those huts, super. They use them all the time and they're making babies. Super nice. And that sounds so nice. It is unbelievable how much veggies and fruits they eat. That is a big portion. You see my hand. That's a worker hand. I have big hands. They eat that in a day. Easy. They're always hungry. And swimming pool. So the next aviary they get probably takes another 2 months or so. It will be 5 times that size. I can't wait. See you folks.